Hey everyone, welcome. Ever wondered if you can transfer money using just a card, a number, and CVV? In this video, we'll explain exactly how it works, whether it's possible, and the safest ways to do this. So firstly, you need to understand the basics. A card number and CVV alone usually aren't enough to directly transfer money. Most platforms also require the card's expiry date, cardholder name, and sometimes OTP verification from the issuing bank. After that, some platforms let you send money using full card details. So let's, for example, discuss them. Firstly, PayPal. Add the card, then use it to fund a transfer. Wise. You can fund international transfers using a debit or credit card. Skrill or Neteller. Accept card payments to send money to others with an account. Cash App or Venmo. You can add a card, but sending usually requires a linked bank account too. Sharing your card number and CVV is high risk. Only enter them on secure verified platforms and avoid peer-to-peer transfers. And that's how card-based transfers work. For secure and fast money transfers, check the link in the description. Guys, if this helped, like the video and subscribe, and stay safe.